Hi and welcome back. Tonight I was going to do an unboxing because I got my package from Wild Horse Broncos. This is not a sponsored video by any means, but anyways, it arrived a little less than desired, and I'll cut in a video of what the package looked like here and my unboxing of when I got home from work. Hi, it's kind of a quick video. I got my package from Wild Horse Bronco. That's where I bought my panels, and I was gonna do an unboxing tonight, but it kind of was already unboxed for me when I got home. Anyways, I'll show you what it looked like and what the panels kind of look like. I know one of my kick panels is probably bent, I believe, and we'll just take inventory of what's all there and everything. Let's go look at it. Basically, it arrived pretty much like this, but some of the panels were sticking out of the end. I'll attach pictures to this video so you can see what it looked like when I picked it up. But anyways, let's look inside and see. There's this panel right here that I think is bent, and we'll just pull everything out and see what they all look like. Okay, so here's what the floor pans look like. I believe this is the, what does it say? That's a little turned in right there. And this one's the other one, and the corner's a little bent. Other than that, don't look too bad. The door pillar looks pretty good. Other than some scuff, but I mean that's no big issue. I don't see any really bends in the sheet metal itself. The main thing I'm not too pleased about is the passenger side kick panel. It has a pretty good bend in it. It's bent back there and bent here. And this kick panel is alright, except for it has a little bend there. But that's everything I got, minus the driver's side door pillar. And that's coming in 3 months. But total, I think I paid right around $608 for these panels and shipping, which I'm not too pleased with how it arrived at my door. But anyways, I'm gonna make a video tonight, and maybe we'll see if we can place these pieces where they need to be, and kind of go from there. I don't know if you could tell, but I was kind of upset by how I received it. The box being opened already and some of the parts being bent, which I called Wild Horse and spoke with a really nice gentleman, and they're gonna help me correct the situation, which is very kind, because I know sheet metal can come in damaged, but you know, when you pay so much money for something that's supposed to be new, you just rather just get it and you can put it on your vehicle. Anyways, I think we're gonna try to take the bend out of the kick panel and the little bends off the floor pans, try to make do. Nothing against them. I know that they used out of their hands when it hit the shipping company, but I mean, I would just have liked them to maybe put a piece of tape over the end of it. The shipping company, you know, kind of fix it, because if that door pillar would have been on the other side, I probably would have lost it. But anyways, nothing against Wild Horse. So far, I like the product. Their gauge of steel on the sheet metal is really, really nice, and I believe I'll probably be ordering more parts from them in the near future, whenever I get the money saved up to get them. Anyways, let's work on those for a little bit, and we might do some little odds and ends on the Bronco, see how far we get. But the reason I'm wanting to get those kind of worked out tonight is because they want to know if I could fix it, and if not, they'll send me a new kick panel plus a credit. But if I can fix it, they'll just give me a credit towards a future purchase. So we'll see if we can get them kind of tweaked back to how they're supposed to be. I really need to clean up my garage. Sorry about the mess, but I think today we're gonna focus on using the anvil and getting some of these pieces kind of straightened out. And as you can see, we got that corner that needs to be bent back, that one that needs to be bent out. This whole piece, I'm gonna probably lay it over my leg and try to bend it back, and then get that little piece out, and then try to hammer that down on that kick panel. So anyways, let's get to it. That worked out pretty well. And that don't look too bad. Probably make that work. I should make that be able to work. Hopefully. Come out pretty good. I think I got that one pretty much out. That didn't take as long as I thought it would, but anyways, kind of want to see where stuff lines up at. Kind of makes me want to place the whole thing. What I didn't realize is this goes way further back than I originally thought. So it goes from the edge of that hole all the way back to here, which makes sense since the door pillar butts up against it. And here's the new door pillar that I'm just going to use the bottom part. Really wish I could get away with not having to cut this out. Wish I could use those. I think I might try to weld a bolt onto the end of that and hit it with some heat and some PV blaster. See if I can't get those pieces of bolt out before I decide to cut it up here, because I'm afraid that I can't get that cut just right and my door hinges won't line up and my door won't be straight. So I'd really like to get these out if I can. So I think that's what I'm going to do tonight, is squirt it down with PV blaster real good and then try to weld a bolt onto it and get my butane torch, some heat, and try to break those out. If I can, then I'm going to cut it down here, try to miss that pocket that sits in, which would be right here. Which I'm not going to miss it, I'm going to cut it. So I may have to fill in that hole, as much as I hate to. Fill in that hole with weld and come down here and cut it down here, I think. Only bad thing is the back side of it. Oops, sorry. The back side of it is right where the pocket is. I'm gonna cut that out and see what it looks like back there. I think I'm gonna cut this little piece out right here, since we're gonna have to cut it anyways, and see what's behind there, as in like the door hinge pocket. Yeah, bad news on this. I don't know if you can see it, but that's where that kind of pocket where that hinge sits, and this big dirt dauber's nest behind there, right up in here, and that's the base plate of it, or the plate that the hinge sits in. I don't think I'll be able to do what I want. So I'm thinking I might just get a point on here, measure down halfway, and just cut it straight across. I think that'll work. If any of y'all have suggestions, please let me know, because I don't want to mess up my new door pillar. Don't know if I should replace the whole thing or try to make that one to this one. Anyways, I'm gonna think on that. I think what I want to do tonight is kind of place the panels in here, see how they kind of fit, and maybe start taking this inner rocker off. Anyways, I'm gonna get this stuff cleaned up and place the passenger floor panel in there and see how it lines up. Alright, that's what it looks like with all the dirt and nastiness in it. That kind of concerns me. I'm sure that's a bolt to this. Yeah, it's a body mount bolt. Kind of rusted in place. So we'll have to deal with that. Kind of worried about the brace underneath there too. So you can kind of, anything prop that with? Kind of see down in there, doesn't look too hot at the moment. Anyways, I'm gonna put this piece kind of in there. That's what it's going to look like. Of course, this has to be moved up a little bit. beyond that seam there. Anyways, this will, sorry, you're gonna see that. I'm assuming this will tuck underneath this, and this flange here will tuck underneath that, as well as the rest of it up to there. Of course, there'll be some maneuvering it to get it just right, but yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. Just need to get it in. Yeah, I'm thinking I might have to phone a friend on this one. I might have to call my body guy and see if he can't maybe come over and help me or tell me what I need to do. But anyways, we'll get it done. I guess let's move on to doing some of these spot welds and getting that ready to come off. Seems like this tie didn't have too many spot welds in it, but we'll center punch those and start drilling them out. Alright, thinking this piece might have to go. Just got to looking, and I don't know if you can tell, but right here is a good dip down and back up, and you can tell by when I took those spot welds out, this popped up and that sunk down. So I'm thinking there's probably a lot of rust underneath this piece here. So my question would be, why didn't I get the whole floor piece? Would have been a lot easier, I think. Anyways, I guess we'll continue taking this off, and I think I'm gonna have to talk to a professional, get his opinion on what to do with this. I may even see if he can come and help me replace it. While he's at it, might just try to do a whole long video of replacing this kick panel, pillar, inner rocker, and the outer rocker, and the floor pan. I don't know if he can do it all in one day, but anyways, might see if he can help us with that. I'd like to do it all myself, but I really don't want to mess my Bronco up, and I don't want to be wasting too much money, since it's kind of hard to come by at the moment. But I might call him and see if I can get his opinion on what to do. But until then, we got this whole bedside needs to be sanded and primed. All this needs to be taken out and welded up. I think I'm gonna buy me the copper block or flapper that a viewer suggested to help my welds look better and to be better, and do that on that. And then if it comes down to it, we can start trying to fix this area. I think I can fix this spot by myself. Just looking down and I don't know what that is. Anyways, I think I fixed that spot by myself, and I'm gonna take this rest of the wiring harness out. There's just a whole bunch of stuff left to do. I like to get in here too and start cleaning it up. Cleaning this up, getting a new battery tray. But right now it's kind of overwhelming. I don't know why, but I'm getting kind of antsy. Anyways, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Kind of feeling defeated at the moment. Don't like how the floor looks on the passenger side. And that door pillar really knocked the wind out of me, but I need to think about some things. But we can move on to a different part of the Bronco till I figure it out. You know, I welcome any kind of suggestions that y'all may have, or if y'all been through it before, what the best alternative to doing it is. I'm open to anything at the moment. Anyways, did a little bit of panel adjustment on some of the stuff that was kind of warped and bent. Did a little bit of spot weld drilling and a whole lot of talking. But anyways, thank you for watching, and thank you to my new subscribers. Like I say, just please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out a lot, and it really helps me to stay motivated to come out here and get concerned. But anyways, I'll see you on the next.